What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing?
I knew that was you. I saw
How you doing, man? Look at this dude.
I knew that was you. I was like, I think that's. Oh, we on the vlog, right? We on the vlog. Yeah, we out here.
What's up, man?
You know, I forgot to text you when I went to the.
Oh yeah, no, it's cool.
Yeah.
I saw you. I was like, yo, that looked like Austin car. When you pulled
oh no, I didn't even bring it.
Watch out before you break his car. Watch out.
Tight bar.
This car doesn't scrape a lot of shit.
Oh wow.
That is sick. What coilover would you went with?
A Paxton N1.
A Paxton N1. That is sick. Oh man, when I see those pictures. Damn. Look at the setup. So what kind of charger you have?
That's a Paxton freaking what do you call it? N1200.
Yeah. And what's that what different settings does it have? Like different.
Well, right now, when I bought it, it had a 3.4-inch pulley.
Yeah.
Typically, the stage 2 comes with a 4. I changed up the whole kit and went to 3.4-inch. And then today, before I went on the dyno, I actually went down to 3.2 grip tech pulley. So now there's no slip, and it's making like 15.7 pounds of boost now.
Wow. 15.7
Oh, you
pounds
changed
of
the pulley
boost.
too?
That is nuts. That is crazy. And you're on 93?
Yep, 93.
93 pump gas?
Yo.
This is a clean setup. So I'm not too familiar. So what is this, the air box? Or
It's,
air?
water, is it air to water or water to air? I can't remember the freaking term, but
Okay.
yeah, coolant. It's full of coolant. If I take this off,
Yeah.
it's pretty much like almost like a radiator, but it's full of coolant, and the coolant circulates down to the. I don't know how I forgot the name of all this stuff.
Yeah.
I just installed it, but that's the after cooler.
Yeah.
And then the coolant flows through the after cooler to the heat exchanger. I have a whole pump. Essentially,
Yeah.
the whole pump sits back here.
Yep.
It pumps all the coolant through the heat exchanger because it blows the cold air down there.
Yeah.
Cools it.
Fast.
It cools down, and the air comes through, and the air gets cooled before it goes into the intake manifold.
Okay. And what clutch did you end up going with clutch setup?
I ended up doing a pretty popular setup for the S2000. It's pretty much OEM clutch disc.
Yeah.
Lightweight flywheel.
Yep.
Did the ACT Pro Light. It's a 8.7 pound flywheel. I think it's 8.7 pounds around there.
Okay.
But it's pretty light, and the ACT heavy duty. ACT heavy duty pressure plate.
Okay.
That's usually good for plenty of power.
Okay. Good.
A lot of people run that setup. They say it's like good for like up to 350 foot-pounds of torque. This setup isn't gonna make that.
Yeah. And then so compared to your before the tune, how does it feel? Is it night and day or?
Before it felt fast, but now it really feels fast.
Okay.
I mean, coming from all the other cars I had, I mean, they have all been around the same power range.
Okay.
Like the M felt very similar to this.
So you think you'll run with the supercharged E92?
I would, but the thing with those, it's they're long ass gears, compared to my
Short gears.
super short gears.
Yeah. That's awesome. You ever thinking about doing the rear end gears? The gears in the rear?
I'm good.
Yeah.
I'm not going too deep with this car. It's too mint to be.
That's a clean setup, man.
I'm still 34,000 miles. I'm not driving.
That is nothing. And what type of headers did you go with?
These are 1320 big tube headers, and then I had it when I got them. I had them ceramic coated.
Wow.
Inside and out.
That is nuts. Looks super clean.
You just got the wheels polished all the way.
Damn, these wheels look so good, yo.
Yeah.
Yo.
Come out, but it came out really well.
What's that shit you want? Got you acting crazy. Damn, girl, you fine, but you acting crazy. Yeah, she told me off from my brand new ride. Yeah, she talking shit, fucking on my heart. I can hear you cooking in right now. Yeah, yeah.
Yo, got the GoPro in there. This thing is clean. Okay.
I think this is a car.
Oh, look at this thing. This thing is clean, man. Super clean. Man, this thing is so clean. Yo, don't leave this car.
It's almost a crime to drive it.
Yeah. Yeah. You gotta take me for a ride.
Yeah, I'll take you.
I might slow it down. I'm a little hefty.
Little catch can.
Nice.
Little setup.
That's a clean setup. And then you added this, right?
Yeah, so
To-
the kit, I added the optional tile. Added, they relocated the IAT.
Okay.
Is that what it's called? Intake, whatever sensor that is. I'm tired.
Yeah.
I know the names of all this shit, but I'm just tired.
Yeah.
But they relocated it. Normally it would be here, but I had to relocate it there. That's an option for them. What else is an option that I added? It has an additional idler pulley to help with belt wrap.
Yo, this thing is.
Then I did all this. It took me hours to cut this out perfectly. Because it's not supposed to be like that. That's that heat reflective tape to keep that thing cool.
Keep it cool.
I like how they added the badge on the front, the SOS.
Oh, that's dope. Yo, this car is sick, man. Yo, we gotta do a little run. We gotta do a little run.
Yeah,
I gotta make sure I'm on full E85. I need an E98
somebody's good.
nitrous.
That's how the car came out.
This thing is awesome. It's like what you dream about. Like,
I can hear you cooking in right now. Yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. I can hear you kicking in right now. Yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. When I was 18, I lost 10 in the mail. Coppers pulled me over with the thing in the scale. Cheap ice lit, couldn't believe the smell. Roger. Tapping on the trunk, dog wagging his tail. Hit the cushion, I had a flashback. Took a trap nap, pillow was my backpack. Did a game up and down like a NASDAQ. Up and down. Like a storytelling on a joint past that. And the kush came from Calabasas. Honda Civic cost my glasses. Yeah. What's that shit you want? Got you acting crazy. Damn, girl, you fine, but you acting crazy. Yeah. She told me off from my brand new ride. Yeah. She talking shit, fucking on my heart. I can hear you cooking in right now. Yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. I can hear you kicking in right now. Yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. What's that shit you want? Got you acting crazy. Damn, girl, you fine, but you acting crazy. Yeah, she told me off from my brand new ride. Yeah, she talking shit, fucking on my heart. I can hear you cooking in right now. Yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy. I can hear you kicking in right now. Yeah, it's kicking in right now. Way too crazy.
remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I needs it. I needs it bad.